Hello everybody, welcome to episode 2 of Instagram Life versus real life situations. In this video I am viewing top 10 Instagram outfits that are impossible in real life. I am viewing celebrity and influencer outfits, fancy outfits that do not work in real life. You know those outfits that you buy, take pictures in them and then pack them in your closet and never wear them again? Yes, I am talking about those kinds. You know, something like those funny online shopping scams. In fact, the outfits that I'm viewing here are just in this episode. They are real, cute, sexy, and they are a beautiful work of art. And all of them are beautiful. It's just that I think they wouldn't work in real life for other people like me. Without further ado, let's jump into outfit number 1 by Her Vocal Highness musician Kelly Khumalo. Okay, I'm not sure what is going on here, but this just looks like it's uncomfortable and painful. It is a beautiful work of art though, but I just think it is better left at the museum. Okay, a great idea of this would be buying it. After buying it, take your pictures in it and just frame it and send it back to the art gallery so people can visit the museum and see that dress or whatever. But is it made out of beads or is it a cloth? I don't know. Beautiful, but it wouldn't work for me. Okay, outfit number 2, Kelly Khumalo with a huge earrings. This is the latest version of Obutin Kwete, if you know them. And this is Ababutin Kwete just on another level. Again, this is beautiful, but where would you wear them? Tell me in the comment section whether would you wear them or where would you wear them. In your matric dance or graduation, or maybe in a gala dinner, maybe this would work. Yeah. Outfit number 3, Kelly Khumalo again. A huge necklace piece, which according to Kelly's pictures on Instagram, you don't wear it with any other piece of clothing. No bra, no pants, not even underwears. I'm out. Beside the way she wore it, I think this is beautiful, and it's possible to find a dress, pants, or any other appropriate outfit for you to wear it so that you can wear it in public. Outfit number 4 by musician Tabsi. I have one concern about this dress. This is beautiful, but tell me what happens when you stop posing. What happens when you close your legs and start walking? You're not gonna step on it as you are walking. I don't know. Would you wear this, guys? Not. Outfit number 5, back to Kelly Khumalo. The mermaid dress. Right now it looks like she's standing on a brick or something. I don't know. What happens when she wants to walk? Does she step on it again like Tapsi's dress, or does it go up and let her walk and perform free and comfortable? Now guys, I like comfort, so this is impossible for me. Number 6, Kelly Khumalo. Oh, this looks painful. Look like pain to me. Is that dead flowers around her chest? I don't know. It looks beautiful but uncomfortable for me. Number 7, Nomza Mambata with the Coming to America wedding dress. This was so beautiful in the movie, guys, if you did watch it. I like how she told the truth on her Instagram post. This is way too beautiful and fabulous, coming out of shwe or African print kind of situations. But according to Nomzamo, it was very heavy and weighed more than half of her weight. The tail was so heavy that someone had to get under the tail and wheel her down the aisle. This is a confirmation that you don't really know what everyone is dealing with, and not every picture you see on social media reflects real life. Number 8, Nomza Mambata with an umbrella dress. Beautiful. Okay. Number 9, Nomza Mambata again. The dress that requires you to wear no underwear. Not for me. I can only wear this dress, beautiful dress, if it has a built-in underwear situation going, a hidden underwear. But if it doesn't have an underwear, built in that, I wouldn't wear it. Comment down below, guys, if you would rock this one with or without a built-in underwear. Number 10. Oh boy, what am I doing here? Because I have big babies. This one is for you guys. Comment and subscribe. I will catch you tomorrow with another video. Bye.